In Dubai's embrace where the raindrops fall, grateful hearts find solace amidst it all. The city skyline fades in the gentle mist. In the calm of the storm, our worries desist. Amidst the desert's whispers, a soothing refrain. In the rhythm of the rain, we find no disdain. Thankful for the blessings in each drop we see. In the soft rhythm, our souls feel free. In this moment of calm, we find our way, feeling every heartbeat as we sway. Rainy days in Dubai, a soothing melody. In the whispers of the rain, we feel so free. Opportunity shines in the city's light. In this heartfelt emotion, we take flight. Beneath the skyscrapers where dreams ignite, grateful for the rain that paints the night. The desert song echoes in the falling rain. In the serenity of the downpour, we find no disdain. Amidst the palm trees swaying, in a dance so grand, in the city's heartbeat, we find where we stand. Rainy days in Dubai, a canvas so grand. In the rhythm of the rain, we understand. Opportunity dances in the desert's glow. In this heartfelt emotion, we freely bestow. In the echoes of the storm, we find our way. Thankful for guiding us every single day. Grateful hearts in Dubai find their home. In this rainy day, we're never alone. Thanking God for every blessing in every breeze. In Dubai's embrace, our hearts are at ease. Rainy days in Dubai, a symphony so grand. In the downpour's rhythm, we understand. Opportunity dances in the desert's glow. Thanking God for everything we humbly bestow. In the gentle rainfall, our gratitude flows. In Dubai's embrace, our love forever grows.